Hi everyone, welcome. I wanted to show you my latest purchase from, I believe this is eBay. This is a Coach bag charm, and it's the striped heart trigger snap. This is really cute, gold hardware, little heart. All right, yeah, nice way in case you need to take your keys off of your ring, you can just easily do that with a snap. So that was nice too, because I thought this was attached, but it's not. So that's nice. I'd like to show you my bag of the day. And it's my new Andy Crossbody in black pebbled leather. It's a beautiful horse and carriage engravement. I don't have any bags like this at all, so it's very unique to me. And I just moved into it. And I'm really happy with it. I love the look and feel of the pebbled leather, and we still have the wrapping on the Coach hang tag here. And I just love the detachable crossbody, detachable top handle, which is really nice. So it's not too small or too large. Carrying the trick of your arm. I could fit it here if I wanted to, but if I was wearing a coat or something, then it probably wouldn't fit. But it's just a really nice bag. So I was able to fit my essentials in it. I still have the tag here. So I have my snacks at the bottom. You can see I actually put them at the bottom, and I put my wallet on top, my carry-all pouch, a little notepad, my face mask, and I have my keys, my two sets of keys here. So it does have that magnetic closure, and I find that the magnetic closure is pretty strong, so it does grasp. You can see here that my contents, my wallet here is extending it, but when I'm not out and about, I'm at home, I just leave it open. And so I'm just got to play with it to see the best way to put my contents in, just so that I'm not overextending the leather in any way. But this is a real quality leather, so I have no doubt it will be fine. But anyways, just wanted to show you that my Andy crossbody and uh, my new back charm. Yeah. So thank you so much for joining me today.